Okay, folks, occasionally UPS will drop one of our crates so hard that it will twist the sink out of shape. Now, we twisted this one out of shape probably a lot worse than would ever happen to you, but we're going to show you that if you put a square in here, no matter where you put it, it's out of square. Okay, I don't think a customer's ever gotten one this bad. However, it's fairly easy to fix. The first thing you do, flip the sink upside down. Now we need some of those thinner pieces of wood, 2 pieces. You'll see that it rocks, okay? What you want to look for is the 2 sides that touch. They should be on opposite sides. 2 pieces that are up in the air will be on opposite sides, okay? When you get your sink, the first thing you want to do is flip it upside down on a flat surface, make sure it doesn't rock. The second thing that you would want to do is take your accessories out, make sure they fit everywhere, because occasionally if it's dropped hard on its end, especially on undermount sinks, especially copper, this can bow in. You want to make sure that your accessories fit everywhere, okay? So what you would do is take 2 pieces of wood. I'm going to show you on this one. Can you lift this up for me? Okay. You want to put it diagonally across this side, making sure the bulk of the wood is under the corner of the sink. You do not want all the pressure to be on the flange because that will bend right up. And then on the opposite side, you do the same thing. Okay? And then usually you would need 2 people, and I think in this case we might. You want to push on the opposite ends down. Okay? On 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay? On most sinks, other than stainless, it doesn't take a lot of pressure. Let's just see what happens. Got to do a little bit more. Because these guys racked it way out of shape. All right. 1, 2, 3. All right. Let's try that. Really close. Actually, what we did is we overdid it. So now it's rocking on these 2. So we've got to put something under these 2 corners. And push on these 2 corners just a little bit. This is bronze, by the way, which is 90% copper. Now we're perfectly flat.